Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm posting my first DIY video. Here you can see my back right tail light isn't working. I can go to a mechanic, but I know this is a quick fix. I know that it's time to change the blinker fluid. Believe me, this will save me a ton of money. I just grab my drill and a small drill bit. I'll carefully drill a hole on the bottom of the tail light and let it drain out all the nasty old blinker fluid. This is an eco-friendly blinker fluid, and I'm letting it drain directly onto the ground, so that's cool. If you have the old version, dispose of the old blinker fluid properly. Your local parts store and recycle center will usually take it. For this blinker fluid service, I used the best product that I found here in Germany, a multi-brand gluten-free synthetic blend blinker fluid for a brighter and faster blink that can take up to 100,000 blinks. You can use this product also for your Volkswagen and BMW. Next, I just need to seal the small hole using a small piece of PPF film. With all the old fluid removed, I'll drill one more hole on the top. I'll use that hole to refill the tail light with the new synthetic blinker fluid. Carefully pour the blinker fluid into the housing so you don't spill any of it. As you can see, I'm performing this outside. You don't need a garage or fancy tools. All you need is some common hand tools to get the job done the right way. If your friends or neighbors try to stop you, they just don't know what a blinker fluid service is. Don't use this blinker fluid for your Audi dynamic turning blinkers. Once that's topped off, seal the deal with another piece of PPF. Give it a quick wipe, and we're done. Now let's go and give it a check and see if it works. Works perfect and looks great. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and see you next time with more DIY projects.